What's up, guys? Today we got right here a big BattlBox box. So let's open it up. Whoa, that's a huge one. Let's dump it down a little bit. So right away we're going to start with the head and some goodies. This is a Mission 115. So paid $190, after taxes $200. So let's see what we have here. There's a little head and cool. So this looks like the interior pockets. Oh, cool. It's like on a Velcro. 1, 2, 3. That's cool. Oh wow, there's one pocket right here. Put some keys in here, go to the beach. That's pretty useful. Let's try this out real quick. A bit too small. Actually feels good once I pull out all of the, what do you call it, paper from there. This is gonna be good. Oh, okay, that's good. Let's keep on going. Actually, remember what we need to do. I paid $190. We need to do a review. We're going to scan everything on Amazon and to see the value of it. Also, we'll scan it on eBay. So that's the point of these videos. So whoa, wazoo head. This says $40. Yeah, interior pockets. I can't believe it. So what I'm going to do is put it on calculator. It's actually $42. So $42 plus. Next item, we're going to go to it pretty quickly. Omni utensil. So this is a multi-tool utensils holder, and looks like it will go inside these little pockets. So it's a handle, chopstick, spoon, fork, toothbrush. What is it? Silicone straw looks like. Very cool. I like how it's turned into chopstick. 2 wooden pieces right here. We could have done it out of titanium. That's okay. So I don't think it's going to be the most expensive item right here. Kind of like a filler. Let's go. What is this? This is totally on scan right here. For some reason it scans this knife instead, but anyways, let's call it plus $15, because those things are not very expensive. Plus 15. I cannot find it. So, oh, you know what? I think this is comes together with this one, and this one is exactly the same thing as Amazon right here. What? So it's kind of like a bonus item, and it scans the same way. Let's see. Yeah, $44, and maybe it comes with it all in the same pile when we buy it on Amazon, or is it just extra item? So that's a $44 knife. That's kind of cool. Let's open it super quick, do a quick overview. Very good packaging. Never heard of that brand, but oh wow, that's tiny. It's so cute, so comfortable. VG10 counter feather. That's the title of it. So nice. There's a little fire starter and sharpener, ceramic sharpener. So that's $44. This one is kind of like a bonus with it, so that's nice. Let's see. Yeah, $44, 45, because it's a 95 cents. So plus 45. We had $100 already. This box is really big today. So let's go to everything. What is this? No idea. Don't know how to pronounce this brand either. Ooh, it's a wallet. These things are popular. I'm more traditional. I'll look 10% off coupons. Grab it, guys, if you want it. There's the codes. There you go, the advertisements. But yeah, so I'm a kind of like not a minimalist wallet. I like my bulky leather wallets. But there it is. Opens up. There's a frame. Pretty cool. Like a card holder. Those things are usually expensive. There's ID or whatever that is. Another cards. 2 pockets right here. That is cool. Look at that. There's another card holder. It's kind of like in between of leather and metal. And there's bottle opener, hook. That is so unique. I like it. One of a kind for sure. Have no idea how would I even scan this wallet. I guess this is M1 Spec Ops wallet. M1, there you go. Ooh, look at that, $109. Now we're in the money. I like it whenever there's expensive items, and it used to be $150. So what we'll do is plus 109. Whoa, we're at $211 in value in return. That's amazing bucks today. Ooh, there is still a lot of goodies in here. 3 more items. Let's see if they stay good. Oh, okay, this is a Campfire Bushcraft Coffee Company. So they give us few coffees to go camping. Oh, it's like a giant tea bag coffee thing. So it's cool. I wouldn't say this worth anything because free samples are everywhere. So that's not going into a value of the box. Let's be fair over here. Okay, BattlBox Survival Plus a door. What is this? Adventure Delivers. It's some kind of custom Amazon, I'm sorry, BattlBox only thing, and it's not on Amazon. It's not on eBay. Is it on Amazon? Nope. Mess up the box in case I want to flip some of this stuff or sell some of this stuff. This is why I like the BattlBox subscription and other things like that, because I can keep what I want and I can sell what I don't want. So that's why I always put it back in the box. It's such a good value. Ooh, this is nice. And this is like a BattlBox exclusive. Never heard of it. The towelette over here, like a cleaning cloth. Beautiful Spartan. $14.69. And this is Ross Kamar. Oh, cool. Alaska. Beautiful. So it's like a little kitchen can. That's a title, and this is the maker. Cool. So I guess like made in Alaska. Let's look it up super quickly. Go on Google how much it's valued at. Probably like $30. Okay, let's see what they sell them for at the BattlBox, because it's one of a kind. $89. And you know what? There's more information about it. D2 steel. So it's a nice quality knife right here. So another $90. That's believable. Plus 89. We are $300 in value back. That is pretty awesome. Okay, and one more box, and that's empty, the rest of it. Simple strap. No adhesive, no nuts, no ratchet, no hooks. Max load capacity 400 pounds. Works dusty, dirty, wet, under. Well, okay, what is this? Let's see. Looks like we have to cut the description of instructions. Oh, that's a nice box. Oh, that's a cool box. Oh, what? How's this a strap? No nuts. How would we even use it without nuts? I mean, it's very stretchy, some kind of material. Stop.com. So I definitely read the instruction how to use it. I wouldn't even know. Wow, this is unique for sure. There it is. Cut the length needed. Bunging with one end. Wrap tightly around the object. Use minimum of 3 wraps. Keeping each wrap contact with previous wrap, leaving there a space with the last wrap. Track the end of the. Definitely would have to watch a review how to actually use it without nuts and stuff like that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Very interesting. But overall, we got right here another, I don't know, $15 in here. We got awesome wallet. We got 2 knives, which is $40, and then $90, and then other small miscellaneous things with a hat, which is $40. That is a really cool box this month. It is a monthly subscription box, and all these things we got today. So I really like the knives. Oh, they're showing this right here. So very good value box. We got $120 extra for $300. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.